Hi, this is Nathalie from LineDotArrow from the Netherlands, and I'm finally here. Finally, I worked really hard today with a new kit for the upcoming challenges in August, and I'm so happy about it. Sorry for the glare over here. Maybe this is better, yeah. And as you can see, I have all books over here, and first of all, I want to thank Suzanne from Nonstop Papercrafts because she provided me with a name for this kit. But it's Books and Botanicals and 27 pages. Huge again. Yeah, I couldn't stop. Just going through the pages real quick. And there are collage pages, writing pages, decorated writing pages, but also backing pages. So this is a collage page, and this is like a book page with a writing spot, but it's also decorated. Another collage page. I do believe we need a little bit of more light. Yeah, so. And we have this one. This is my favorite one. I really like this one. And then we have this one, also cutie. Another collage page. A decorated writing page. So there are different things in it. It's not only book pages, also music sheets, but also playing cards, because I like those. You can incorporate them in your crafts to do. This is grid decorated. A backing page and writing page. A decorated writing page. And like the title says, it has botanicals in it and books, but also other writing and reading related items. And then you have this one. And then the ephemera tags, decorated tags. Little books to embellish on your page. Old postcards. Pockets. And these are rather large, but if you want to have smaller pockets, you just fold them smaller, just a tip. And you can also fold them a little bit over here. So this is less high, but we have different items like the postcards that can fit in here. So that's why they are so big, or bigger than usually. Different tags, tabs, some stamps, another set of tags. And you can add stuff over here, layer them. This is a side tuck. You can also turn it into a belly band, of course. More postcards over here. And you have little bits and bobs, also playing cards. This can be a tuck spot, these two. A little birdie. And I also made them smaller, so you have little bits and pieces to put on. Things you want to put on. These are smaller too. The tags are smaller. Of course, there's a library card, some wordings, butterflies. Botanicals. And the lines are there so you can put them under your scan and cut. And these are the smaller ones. So it's 27 pages, and I know I added a few pages, put two together, but still it's a huge kit, because it's without doing that, it's almost, I think it's 25 pages anyway. So it's a very huge kit. And if you are a smart lady, you hop over to the shop today or tomorrow, because the sale is still going on. And if you purchase one kit, then this one only, it will be on sale with 20% off. But if you buy 2, you receive a discount of 30%. If you buy 4, you will receive a discount of 40%. And if you buy 6, you still have a 50% discount. And you don't have to do anything except putting the kits into your basket. And with checkout, it will take off the percentage that you are entitled to. But be aware, it is on the original price. So this one is on sale with 20% on a regular sale. But if you purchase them like in a set of 3, 4, or 6, it will be on the original price. That's something that is arranged in Etsy. I have no influence over that. And then the other thing I have is there are going to be challenges in the Facebook group. Oh, I have it upside down. And of course there will be freebies. Now, maybe not everybody is aware, but I have not been feeling well the past weekend. I had gallbladder issues and I had to take more rest than I wanted. So I'm a little bit behind. But this is for the first week challenge, and there will be a second and third week challenge. And the first week challenge is going to be uploaded in the Facebook group, so you have the event. And that is making, oh, I have to say it, a tuck spot from book pages and a journal card or a tag. Maybe a tag is nice too. But you can do several things. And I'm going to create something for the first challenge. But first, let me show you the freebies. These are the freebies, and they are available on my Facebook page, and they also will be available on my Ko-fi page. And then I have like little bits and bobs, because this is like handmade paper, little botanicals, little scriptures, and also resize them to put them resize them and put them on here. But I also created the whole set like so, because I do believe this goes very well with book pages. So you will receive 6 freebies. And I know some of them are double, but yeah, they are freebies. So enjoy. And I also will upload a picture of these books, because I took pictures of it and I thought, well, maybe they can be nice freebies too. I'm not sure when I will do that. I hope to do it today, but nobody knows because I'm very busy. I also have to send everything to the design team members and to the guest design team members. And these challenges will also be running in the HCC Facebook group. So check out that group too. And I will have the Etsy link down below, and the Ko-fi page is down below, and a link to HCC. So yeah, I'm indecisive if I'm going to do the challenge video in here or in a separate video. I decided to do it in a separate video. So this is actually it for today. So this is the kit, and these are the freebies. And thank you very much for watching, and I hope you all join in. And joining in again with the freebies, but you can also join in with the kit. And it is as usual, if you use both, your entry will your post will count as 2 entries. And if you only use this one, so only the freebies is 1 entry. If you only use this one in combination with this one, it's 2 entries. And if you only use this one, it's 2 entries too. So if you bought the kit, 2 entries, freebies 1 entry. But the whole idea is to use your book pages, things you have left on your desk, like from your paper pads, but also like cutouts, stickers, washi, all those things we tend to forget. The wax seal stamps. There's so much you can do with book pages and all those little bits and bobs, and just add a little flower and it's pretty already, do some sewing. You don't have to do that, but sewing gives it a little bit more texture. You can make dangles. We can do a lot, but this is the first week creating a tuck spot for a journal card or a tag, or a tag. You can do both, and you can create different tuck spots. So it doesn't have to be only one. The one I'm making, you can create your own. You can create triple, or you can create a folded tuck spot, whatever you want. The more the merrier. And the hashtag we will be using is hashtag LEA books and botanicals. Very easy to remember. But like I said, I'm going to do a separate video, and then I'm going to craft something with this. And yeah, I hope you will join in. And if you do, don't forget to use the hashtag. Thank you very much for watching. Like, leave a comment, subscribe. Hope to see you in the next video, creating something from the book pages. And greetings from the Netherlands. Bye bye. Bye.